Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging the case and each earbud to full. This prevents mid-setup dropouts. Once done, open the case near your phone and turn on Bluetooth. Make sure location is enabled so the device can discover accessories. Press and hold the pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks rapidly. Then select the Nothing Era name in your phone's Bluetooth list. This initial pairing establishes the secure link and readies you for advanced controls. Once paired, open the Nothing app to check for firmware updates. Installing them fixes bugs and adds features. Next, focus on fit. Test each supplied ear tip and choose the size that gives a snug seal. This improves bass response and active noise cancellation performance. Then, configure touch gestures in the app. Assign single, double, and long press actions for play, voice assistant, and ANC toggle. You'll notice improved stability and quicker access to functions when both fit and controls are tuned to your habits. To finish, adopt daily routines that extend battery life. Store buds in the case between uses and enable any power-saving modes. Use single bud mode for calls. Put the primary bud in your dominant ear for clearer voice pickup. If connectivity or audio stutters occur, reset by placing both buds in the case, then holding both buttons for about 10 seconds to reinitialize pairing. And make sure to keep firmware updated and clean the charging contacts and ear tips weekly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.